a light and easy from a company called Parry. I don't quite know who Parry are. All I do know is that this machine is very, very familiar looking indeed. This is essentially, I think, still a Hotpoint Junior. This is the last in all of the ones that we have to show, the last before video, I think, for now, that I need to film on one of these. And this one is possibly, hopefully, the best condition one we've had so far. Let's have a look, check it works as well as it looks, and see what this machine is like. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner and 60s vacuum chums. How are you today? Yes, I don't know if this is earlier or later or in the middle of all of the other Hotpoint Juniors that we have seen. I presume Parry must be some private label brand that just took one of these, had it made in this very nice, it shouldn't be two-tone, but it is, very nice duck egg blue. It's very 1960s. Other than that, it is a standard Boggo basic Hotpoint Junior. We have our handle with our on and off switch here. Mains cable comes out of the handle and sits inside this little kangaroo pouch that is the bag at the rear. Oh my goodness, I didn't realise this was quite this tangled up. Okay, we'll need to have a look at that. Look, see, you can see it untangling. Yeah, but at the end of the rainbow is a very nice MK safety plug, all sleeved as well. Very cool. So, got a nice plug on it. It's got a very nice cable. It's a, you know, those twists should come out. It's also, I think, got a very nice bag. As you'll know from all the previous Hotpoint Junior videos, these bags are a pain. This one seems very nice. It even has a working zip. Ta-da! And it's got a bag fitted as well, although the whole thing is very dusty. There's been something spelt in it once upon a time, so it's still going to need a good old wash, but the fabric is nice and strong. The zip works and it has a bag. That is just absolutely amazing, really. I am going to pop it off of its top bag hook just so it stops pulling it all around whilst we have a look at the bottom of the main machine. Because just like on the Hoover Junior that I assume this was designed around, the action happens under here. If we pop our belt cover off, we can see the cleanest, nicest, although it's still a little bit corroded, brackets that I have seen on one of these so far. This whole machine is very clean so far, not broken. So we'll pop that back on. There we go. Ooh. Flip it upside down where we can see a very clean underneath. Now, well, I need look, we'll see if we can use this Hoover Senior top bearing to lever off the base plate. This is the base plate that we borrowed for the white Hotpoint Junior. So this is the base plate for this machine. The other machine doesn't have one, and it's missing its rubber seal. We still might need to do a little something about that, but otherwise it's there. It has a brush roll. It's a little bit soft and a little bit frayed in places, but hey, it is there. Let's just pop this wiring cover off and check there's no nasty surprises hiding underneath. What's underneath? Door number 1. Oh, come on. Right, that's off. Pull this out and lots and lots of dust. That's good then. We'll chuck it over there. We can perhaps use some of it for a bit of a mess test demo. So in here, seems remarkably clean. Oh look, I can spin it by hand. Look, it's a handheld vacuum cleaner. That's all in order. Let's just let it rain some of the rubbish down that it doesn't want to. Yes, this is little Hotpoint dirty fan motor again, modelled on a Hoover Junior style motor, but made very, very cheap. So far, no damage. It's not warped itself like that white one had. This could be a very nice clean up, make look brand new, pop back together. Well, this foam has also had it, so there you go, into the pile. Yeah, looks good. Looks very good. I think we should probably turn it on and see how it runs. Well, that all seems pretty decent. I think, hoping this machine is going to run absolutely fine. Oh, let's get the cable out of the way. So turn the power on. I think the machine might be on. It's off. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, wow! That must be the best working one we have ever before videoed. Bar the height control lever seems to sort of fall back down, but that's to be expected. I'm not going to poke around on that too much. All this machine is really going to get is a full strip down, a nice wash, bit of oil here and there, and put it back together. And that's all it's going to need. And that's going to be beautiful. I can't wait. Hopefully, in the after video, I will almost be showing you a brand new inbox as good as Parry Light and Easy. How exciting. Yeah, it loved the deeper pile carpet more, mostly because it seems to be set in high level mode. See if we could perhaps make it set permanently in low pile mode. But bar that, she runs beautifully. So, do you have a Light and Easy by Parry? If so, where did you get it from and what do you think of it? This is actually quite nice. It's a bit short. I am leaning down a little bit, but it's very good. It's very nice. It certainly is a nice sweepy vacuum cleaner, not an agitated one at all. So until the next time, I and this beautiful blue Hoover will see you soon. Bye bye.